Happy Mother's Day, you motherfuckers. We're gonna go ahead and go live on this Silver Surfer 8.5. We got one payment left out there. Eric Linderman, Brian, vouched for you. You need to make sure you send that back over to me as friends and family. All right, let's go live. All right, everyone, we're live. We got a local time of 7:18 here. 7:18 here. We're gonna go to our 7:18 here. Thank you. Just flipped over 7:18. Silver Surfer 3, 8.5, CBCS, and we should have, I believe it was 53 names on this list, 53 items on the list. All right, like I said, we are live, so we're going to go ahead and we're do the 3 dice pool. We're going to go ahead and start this. We're going to go 12 times. All right, so this thing randomizes. Well, there's one. It's going slow. I don't know. It's not my internet. I know that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shit, this is running slow. Sorry, guys. 8, 9, 10. Fucking Jeopardy. Good luck, everyone. Spot 42. Round 12. 12 rounds here. Spot 42. Top spot. HERAVW. HERAVW. Brent Fogel. Spot 42. Congratulations. Now, look at that. Took 1 and 2. All right, we have a local time of 7:21 here, 7:21 here. Let's go to our local time. Refresh this. I hate this. I hate the time and date. 7:21 there. Again, there's your winner. Congratulations. Done.